All right, guys, insane stuff with Roku stock exploding in the market. And as you can see, this trader right here bought some 230 call options for Roku expiring this week. He bought 50 contracts at a price of $94 per contract. Currently, it's worth almost 3K each contract. As we can see here, the gain is insane. 3,000% return, making over 6 figures. Insane stuff right here. He threw in about $5,000 worth of capital into this trade, turning $5,000 into $147,000. Basically 5,000 to 150,000. So pretty insane stuff, and this is definitely life-changing money, as 5,000 is a relatively small amount, and turning that into a six-figure value is definitely pretty insane. So it's definitely a really good price point to sell and cash out. As we can see, it's up for almost 4,300% on the day. He bought these call options Monday or Tuesday when the market opened. And then he was down a little bit, but then this YOLO kind of, well, I wouldn't even call it YOLO. He only put in $5,000 worth. Imagine if he put $50,000 of contracts worth, he would be up $1 million, which is pretty insane to think about if he had just put in a little bit more money and bought some more contracts. But Roku absolutely exploding, as we can see, up 18% on the day. And when he bought it around here when Roku was around $218. So those 230 call options are now in the money, and the stock is absolutely exploding because of its new multi-year deal with YouTube, which is pretty solid. So Roku over the year, it has definitely had a pretty bumpy ride, lots of ups and downs. It's pulled back from its all-time highs of around almost $500. So it's definitely due for a nice breakout. And it bounced right off this nice support line right here, as we can see there. So there's tons of volume heading into the stock. Analyst ratings, they think it's a buy out of 28 ratings. And they definitely are looking really solid, especially with partnering with YouTube. It's going to be some pretty good revenue growth for Roku as well. And as we can check the volume, the average volume is normally around 5.5 million, and the volume today or yesterday was 25 million. So volume was definitely pretty high, and there's definitely a really strong bullish momentum with Roku stock. But of course, when something runs up this much, we can expect people to start taking profits. Just like this guy, I would probably take profits on this. That's an insane gain. You don't want to get too greedy in case the stock does pull back, because people are definitely going to want to take profits when they make a lot of money that quickly. That's about it for this video. Quick update on Roku stock. If this video helped you in any way or you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.